Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Okay, guys, this is Garden Tour Part 2. Garden Tour Part 2. But first, look at it. Ain't she gorgeous? That's the most beautiful zinnia I have seen this year in my garden. Yay! I haven't had very many successful zinnias grow for me, so I'm very excited to have her. All right, back to the tour. Now, you guys remember my okra plant that I was so happy about? You remember what happened to it? So I started another one. This is a crimson spineless okra plant, though. It's still doing good. It has new flowers coming as well. Cabbage. Cabbage. I listened to Catherine. Thank you, Catherine, for helping me. This is my very first time having a fall garden. I had way too many cabbages in my other bed. I had like 8 of them, guys. So let me show you something. So I'm going to tell you this. This is a purple cabbage. You see? I didn't label them because I think it's going to be kind of fun to see the purple and the regular cabbage come up at the same time. That back there is snapdragons. They all on the ground. I hope they stand up one day. Okay? I hope y'all stand up. That in there is taro. You see? It's coming. This is my pomegranate tree, guys, that I started from seed. I'm so proud of you, plant. And look at new leaves. Yay! I'm going to stake her up today. Okay, this is more cabbage. And that's taro, another taro. That looks like a purple cabbage too, guys. This right here is my prickly pear. Yay! I started it indoors, guys. It's doing wonderful. There is my peach tree. Hers doing good too. That right there is my sorrel plant that actually lived. The other one did die. It's okay, it's okay. It died. Red amaranthus. Doing good, ladies. I love your leaves. You're gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I have to repot these guys. Brought my jackfruit outside. So I'm going to give it some Epsom salt today. I think the tent was like a little bit much for it, too humid for this plant, even though it's a tropical plant. It needs to breathe. I have fans in there, but that's too much, you know. So she's outside now. That right there is a goji berry tree. Vine. It's not doing so good right now. I have to take care of it more better. I think I'm going to prune it. Look at my papayas. I started these from seeds too, guys. Yes. This is my flower garden. Okay. That right there is a hibiscus. I think that is the yellow one. It is. That right there is a tall hibiscus plant. You know, I'm going to cut that one in half. That's a pink one. And this one is a red one. I have a ton of the pokeweeds growing. I'm going to let them. Snapdragons all through here. This is my bird, my white lily bird plant called Bird of Paradise. Just gorgeous. That's a little bit of everything in there. My medicinal side of my garden, that's taro as well. This is lavender, lemon balm, lavender, lemon balm. And this right here, guys, is a whole bunch of, look at that. You know what that is, guys? That right there is ginger.